Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install customizable lease clauses with LegalZoom, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the LegalZoom website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the business section on the homepage. Look for the option related to lease agreements. Select customizable lease clauses. Choose the type of lease you require. Review the available templates based on your needs. Click on the selected template to start customizing. Fill in the necessary information about the property and lease terms. Add any specific clauses that pertain to your unique situation. Make sure to review each clause for accuracy. Consider any additional terms that may benefit your lease. Adjust the language if needed to fit your preferences. Once satisfied, proceed to the checkout. Review your order to ensure all details are correct. Finalize your purchase and wait for your document to be generated. Download your customized lease clauses from your account. Print or save the document for your records. Consider consulting a legal professional for final review. Follow any specific state laws related to lease agreements. Keep the lease accessible for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.